Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna. I mostly make and sell scrunchies and macrame, but I do a range of different accessories and decor and fun things, and I vlog all the behind the scenes and everything, pop it on YouTube for you all to see. And in today's video, I've just seen Koshka. He's curled up in blankets on the window, and as soon as I started talking he instantly started judging me. I haven't decided yet if this is going to be a normal upload video, so my normal upload day on a Wednesday, or if it's going to be a bonus video. I'm not sure yet, but I thought I would film a little mini vlog because I've been watching a few mini vlogs lately and they're really cute, they're really fun, and it just breaks it up a little bit for me in terms of editing, because the vlogs I'm currently editing are all hours and hours and hours long, and as much as I love doing it, it is a lot of work, so I thought it'd be quite fun to just do a little mini vlog, and also a dedicated one to Maya. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm so sorry. Could be Maya, but I think it's Maya. But Maya placed an order last night and it is my biggest order of the year so far. I know I'm only a few weeks into January, but it's a mammoth order. Maya ordered 14 items, so thank you so much. I'm incredibly grateful for any form of support that I get from my little family, so whether that be you guys who watch the vlogs, people who interact on social media, those who place an order of any size, I am so grateful. So Maya, thank you so much, my love. So I thought it'd be really fun to pack that order with you guys, and then we will take it to the post office and stuff. So I hope you enjoy this small vlog. So the first thing we're going to do is grab my sales tracker. We need a name and thank you / business card, as well as a Sharpie, and then we are going to pick each of the items that Maya has bought and then get it packaged. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Right, so let's start picking out Maya's goodies. She's got a bunch of scrunchies in XL size and minis as well. So first we've got the Hunter XL and the Jess XL, so let's find them. There we go. Then we've got the Serena Mini, which is this one. Then we've got a bunch from our rainbow collection. So we've got the Holly XL, Audrey XL, Danny Mini, Zoe XL, Aqua XL, Lauren XL, and the Juniper XL. There's more Pumpkin XL, so let me grab those ones. I can just about hold them. That's all the XLs, and then the Mini. And then the last one that's on this wall is the Maple XL from the Coffee collection, which is this one. And then finally in the scrunchies we've got a pastel pink swim scrunchie, so that is in these drawers over here, so I'm going to grab that. That's this one here. And then the final item is actually a daffodil macrame wristlet, so we're going to head on over to the wall of wristlets over there. We are a little bit chaotic over here because I'm in the midst of prepping for a market this weekend, but the daffodil wristlet is this one here, so it's my lighter orange one. My other orange one is the shade Pumpkin, so that's the two different orange shades I have. So this is a really nice summery colour. I love this so much. So I've got all of Maya's items here. Thank you so much, lovely. And I'm not sure if you would have noticed, but on my sales tracker I have different coloured shapes depending on what month it is, and I write down people's names on there when they order, and if you land on one of the different coloured shapes, which in this case was the little green blob, then you get a freebie. So I am going to throw in one of my mystery scrunchies for Maya, so I hope you like it, my love. But sorry, that's my security going off because the post is outside. So I do have a box ready. I have actually just taped it together upside down. You alright there, my love? So sorry about that, Maya. I'm going to package them all up safely. So I just need to grab some tissue paper. So I've just grabbed a few sheets. I need to find somewhere to put these in the office. They used to be on this over here and they might go back on that. But the thing they were actually on was our old towel rail. And we have actually put that back in the bathroom now. So I do need to get a new situation to hang all this back up. But there we go, some tissue paper ready. I do only use 100% recyclable, biodegradable packaging, which includes my tissue paper, because a lot of tissue paper isn't actually recyclable or biodegradable, but all of my packaging is. So I'm ready, let's get this packaged. So they're all packaged up, just need to pop them in the box now. Just remembered I need to pop a freebie sticker on the mystery scrunchie. There we go. I'll slot that down there. And then we can't forget the name card. It has business details on the back, so it's both a name card, like thank you name card, and business card in one go. So pop that in. A nice snug fit. So finally, we need a thank you sticker. It just says a huge thank you from Fauna Rose. And we've also popped a Happy Meal sticker on it. So Maya, thank you so much, my love. So what I've got to do now is weigh it, and then I've got to sort out the shipping label as well as the custom form, because I believe that this is going to America. So once we've done that, I'll print off the shipping label and then we're going to head out. I've got some errands to run and stuff, but on the way to all of that, we're going to pop by the post office and get this sent, and then I'll probably catch you guys in a short while when I'm then back, so I can add like the tracking information, mark it as shipped and everything. But I love packaging that. I don't know if Maya is a subscriber or if she's going to see this, but Maya, if you do see this, you chose some really gorgeous scrunchies and I really hope you like them all. So let's get it weighed, let's get the shipping label, and let's go to the post office. Right, my loves, I'm all done and dusted, and unfortunately my errands took a very long time, so I've left myself with like half an hour to pretty much do all the market prep that I kind of needed to do today, but that's completely fine. I can't control traffic, I can't control roadworks, I can't control having to wait in queues and things like that, so that's fine. But Maya's order is all sent and on the way. I've just added the tracking and marked it as shipped and everything. So Maya, thank you so much, my love, and also a huge thank you to the rest of you who've been ordering so far in January, and a huge thank you to the rest of you for all your support and for watching the videos and stuff. But I really hope you enjoyed this little video, just like a little mini one for a change. But I'm going to leave this here because I've got a lot to crack on with. So thank you so much for watching. If you could give it a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you aren't. All my social media and everything for Fauna Rose, including the website's linked down below. Feel free to have a nosy down in the description box and look at all that information. And also a huge thank you to my wonderful family members. You guys are my absolute rocks. I love you all so much and I'm forever grateful for all of your support, so thank you so much. Guys, if you're interested in joining my family memberships, it's similar to Patreon, it's just on a different platform, that's all. There's 3 different tiers to choose from. You can subscribe and you get behind the scenes access and extra content, things like that. Again, all the information for that's down in the description, but I am gonna go. Thank you so much again. I love you all, you're amazing, have a fabulous day, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.